What's going on, mi gente? My name is Raziel Liz, and you're watching We Alive and Living. Welcome to We Alive and Living. I apologize for holding my phone in my hand, but I wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on how I make these vegan pancakes. I'm Raziel Liz, and a lot of my friends are always asking me, how do you make those vegan pancakes? How do you make pancakes without using the milk, without using the eggs, etc., etc.? And I'm always like, I'll show you one day, but I never get a chance to. So this morning somebody texted me saying, man, I really wish you showed me how to make those pancakes. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna add you on it. I'm gonna add all my friends on social media and everything. We all gonna learn how to make these vegan pancakes today. Again, this is a quick tutorial. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you whip it up for this long, because I think some of us already know how to whip up pancakes to a certain extent. So I'm gonna just show you the ingredients that I use to make the vegan pancakes, okay? So this is gonna be a quick video. I'm just gonna hold my phone like this real quick because I actually have to head somewhere. So I decided to do this, get it out there before I forget to do this. And make it a little personal. I'm holding the phone for you guys, like, really quick. So first thing you're gonna need, obviously, pancake mix. I like to use log cabin. Log cabin has a good texture, it's thick, it's rich, I like it. Plus it only has wheat, it doesn't have any eggs or milk already in the batter like some of them already do. Another thing you're gonna need, in replacement of eggs, what you're gonna need is your flaxseed. Flaxseed, you know how you use eggs to help the batter stick and the milk and all that. Flaxseed is what you're using in replacement of the eggs. I use this one here, Red Mill by Bob's Red Mill flaxseed. I forgot what was the name of the other one I used before that I didn't like. Not that anything was wrong with it, it just wasn't as thick and it didn't stick as much as this one. So after I bought Bob's Mill, I loved it. You could get it anywhere from Target, Publix, Kroger, your local supermarket. They sell it everywhere. You can also, if you're like me, you shop on Amazon, you can get it on Amazon. So we got log cabin pancake mix, Bob's Mill pancake flaxseed. This is not a requirement, but I like to add this. McCormick's cinnamon. You don't have to add it for the people that don't like cinnamon. I like my pancakes with a little bit of cinnamon in them, and so I put it in the batter versus putting it on the pancake. I put it in the batter and mix it all in, and it gives it a good rich texture. Tastes real good. Another thing you're gonna need is a teaspoon of cooking oil. You get any kind. This one here is vegetable oil. Doesn't really matter what kind you use. The oil is just kind of help it cook when it's in the pan. What you're gonna need, all right, so things you're gonna need. Obviously, you're gonna need a fork, or if you have a mixer, electric mixer, that's cool too, but I like using a fork because the electric mixer mixes it up too hard to the point that it liquefies, and I gotta keep adding and adding and adding. With the fork, you kind of like miss it a little bit. If you don't want it lumpy, use the mixer, but I like mine not lumpy, but a little thicker. So you get your bowl, you get your fork, throw all your ingredients in there. Oh, one ingredient I almost forgot. One of the most important ones, isn't that kind of crazy? You're gonna need some almond milk. Instead of regular milk, get yourself some almond milk. I like to use Almond Breeze. It's personally my favorite almond milk to buy. Also, Khalifa milk is really, really, really good. But if you don't want to buy Khalifa, if you're already used to Almond Breeze, or if Khalifa's too expensive, because I know they're a little bit more money, I buy it sometimes, but I usually buy Almond Breeze to do it. So I get into it. So you pour your log cabin mixture first. As you can see, I already did that. Excuse the mess in there. I just have it in the couch mixing it really hard and I don't want to be spilling it everywhere. You put your milk in first, your almond milk in first. Then you put your log cabin batter on top of that. You mix that up. Put as much as you like till it gets to the right thickness that you like. I put a lot. So put the milk, the log cabin mixture in there. Add some cinnamon as you go if you want to add cinnamon. As you're going, add your flaxseed. Flaxseed, I would say add about two regular spoons of flaxseed. Not teaspoons, but a regular spoon that you eat cereal with. Add two cereal spoons of flaxseed. So what you do is, you get 1 cup mix, like a measuring cup. Get 1 cup mix of pancake mix. Then you get 1 teaspoon or cereal spoon of flaxseed, mix that up. As you're mixing it and you're adding things, add a teaspoon of oil. As you add the teaspoon of oil, you put it in there, you mix it up, and then you add more flaxseed, more cinnamon, and you mix it up really nice and good. Once you got it all mixed up, you get yourself a non-stick pan. You can add oil, you can add butter as you go, but remember, we wanna make it a little bit healthier than usual, so you can add butter or oil. I don't add any of that. Sometimes I put a little bit of vegan butter in the pancake mix. And the pancake mix, the vegan butter I use is this one here. Excuse me. This one here, Earth Balance. Soy-free, milk-free, egg-free. It's a vegan butter. It's awesome. It's plant-based, diet-friendly, the whole 9. So this is really good. Again, Earth Balance. There's like 3 different kinds. There's like a blue label, an orange label, or yellow, and then this one here. It might be even a green one. This is my personal favorite because it has less ingredients. It's more earthy, so to say. So that's personally my personal favorite. So let's run down everything really quick one more time. You got log cabin pancake mix. Got your flaxseed to replace the eggs. You got your almond milk by Almond Breeze. Oil for your pancakes. And a non-stick pan. That's all you technically need to make this. Not technically, that's all you need to make this. This is a side note. While you're adding your ingredients to the pancake batter, you can add a little bit of coffee to the batter. So while you have to make a cup of coffee, put some sugar in it, whatever you like, your cream, whatever you like. I just make it black with some sugar, and I pour a little coffee inside the batter. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't pour a little bit. I put a good amount of coffee in the batter. So my pancakes have this nice coffee flavor to it. You can do this with any drinks that you like. Coffee, Baileys, not too many things, don't add Kool-Aid, but you can add certain things to it. I add coffee. This is just a side note, so I didn't include that in the video, but I just wanted to put on the side note. Wow! So you set your fire, not too high, not too low. There you go, something like that. You pour some in here, as much as you like. I don't like huge pancakes, so I make small ones as I go. So I apologize that it looks all small and rinky-dink. I know some people like big pancakes. I like small ones. So my pancakes come out like this. I make them nice and small. I let them get a little texture on them in the bottom. They get a little tasty. And I flip it in a second. Another thing I like to use, if you have an extra lid somewhere, I like to use that and put it in for a second, just for the top of the pancake to cook a little bit, because sometimes the bottom won't be cooking, the top will stay, you know, like the heat won't hit it. So then when you try to flip it, all soggy and it rolls over and it messes up your pancake and messes up that nice texture you could create. So I put this on it just for a few seconds, about maybe 15 seconds or so. I remove it time to time just to give it a little cook. And then I take it off and put it back. Again, time as you feel. You don't have to do this if you're better than me at cooking pancakes, but I like to do this to get the top cooked a little bit, and then I flip the pancake after that. As you can see, I got a little bit of butter on there. I only made one for now just to show you guys. I'm in a rush. Throw my little syrup on here. Ooh, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know about you, I like syrup. I don't like drowning it, but I like syrup. Let's get this bad boy a little taste test. Excuse my hair, a little crazy. Let's get this bad boy taste test real quick. Mix it up a little bit. Got my little vegan butter in there. Ooh, yep. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see. Yep. Yep. That's the stuff right there. I'm telling you, try this. Make these vegan pancakes in your house. They're healthier. They're great. So there you go. I gotta get out of here. You guys, you watching Real Life and Living. Do a little subscribe. Do a little like. Do a little dance. Do a little. You get it. I'll see you soon. This is good.